In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a QR code in Constant Contact. QR codes are a fantastic way to connect offline audiences with your online content quickly and efficiently. Whether you're looking to link to a survey, a website, or any other online resource, creating a QR code with Constant Contact is remarkably straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to constantcontact.com. This is the starting point for all your email marketing needs, and today we're focusing on the QR code functionality. Once you're on the home page, log into your account if you haven't already. It's important to ensure you have access to all the tools and features Constant Contact offers. Once logged in, navigate to the Audiences tab. This section is crucial because it houses all your contacts and tools related to audience engagement, including the surveys feature we'll use to generate our QR code. Click on Audiences, and you'll be directed to a page where you can manage all your audience-related activities. Next, look for the Surveys option and click on it. Surveys can offer valuable insights into your audience's preferences and behaviors, making them a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. By linking a survey to a QR code, you make it easy for users to provide feedback or engage with your content directly from their mobile devices. After clicking on Surveys, you'll see a list of available surveys. Identify the survey you want to share via QR code. Once you've found it, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, next to your selected survey. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with additional options for managing your survey. From this drop-down menu, click on Share. Sharing options are crucial because they determine how you distribute your survey to your audience. The Share option will present you with various ways to distribute your survey, but today we're focusing on the QR code method. In the Share option, select Share with QR code. This feature is incredibly useful as it automatically generates a QR code linked directly to your survey. It's a seamless way to bridge offline and online interactions, capturing audience engagement effortlessly. Finally, you have two options for what to do with your newly created QR code. You can either download it directly to your device or save it to your gallery. Downloading it to your device is great if you want to use it immediately or distribute it across multiple platforms. Saving it to your gallery, on the other hand, is useful if you're looking to keep a library of QR codes for future use. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code in Constant Contact. This simple guide should empower you to integrate QR codes into your marketing strategy with ease. Remember, QR codes are not just a modern convenience, they're a dynamic tool for engaging your audience in innovative ways. Thanks for watching and happy coding.